Attention real estate pros! Are you struggling to make your listing stand out in a crowded market? Well, here's the secret ingredient to your success. TidyTex Home Cleaning. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes to catch buyers' eyes and close deals faster than ever. We know that first impressions are everything, especially in real estate. Our reliable and professional cleaning services will make your properties shine before open houses and showings, ensuring they look their absolute best. Our quick turnarounds mean you're ready in no time, giving your listings the competitive edge they need to attract buyers. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Maximize your home's appeal for little to no cost. Open all the blinds and turn on those lights before a showing. A well-lit space not only feels inviting, but also highlights the home's best features, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves living there. So why wait? Let TidyTex elevate your property's value and speed up the selling process. Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today and let's make your listings irresistible together.